The wiring for the Latte Panda game console is finally complete. Now, it took a bit longer than I initially expected, and there was even a big problem with those USB ports, but I hope everything will work out just fine. The game console is complete, I just played it a bit and it works great, and here we got some footage from me playing. So here's the finished game console, which is currently running a game, and what is important is that it is drawing around 7 watts of power while doing so, which means that with such a 72 watt-hour battery we can play for 10 hours. My workbench is a mess, which means the project works fine. This is the walkie-talkie version 2 with a transmitter right here and a receiver made from generic RF modules, and as you can hear, it works. Here's a quick tip. If you want to make such a bridge which goes across 2 holes, then you get your silvered copper wire and the plier and use it to bend it at the end right here, and then you get such perfect bridges. How can you confirm that your DIY walkie-talkies work? Well, this is the way to do it. I finally got myself a gimbal, which is the Ronin S, and all I can say for now is that it looks really awesome and you can get quite amazing shots with it. So I hope I will do some awesome videos with it. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, right round. Oh boy, this is heavy. I have a small problem concerning my latest project video, because it is underperforming quite a bit, and the problem is that I was actually planning to do a more powerful version of this project. So I'm currently not sure whether viewers really didn't like the video, or whether the YouTube algorithm is currently not liking me and thus not notifying my subscribers. So make sure to watch the video, and as always, don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is a new project I'm working on. Here we got some LEDs and an LED driver circuit, and if we play around with it, then we cannot really see much, but if we look at what the camera is recording, then we can see that there is something going on. This is probably the longest 3D print I ever did, and I really hope that everything fits and I don't have to print it again. So I just received new PCBs. Granted, they look a bit strange with the hole in the middle, but I think they will be part of a very interesting project. I'm currently in my garden playing around with some LoRa modules, as you can see here, and the cool thing is that they can not only communicate with one another, but also with a router which I have at home, and as you can see here on the serial monitor, it seems to work. I have to say it is quite satisfying to watch some reflow footage. Now look at that.